There's a problem on the homework that says this distance across these flat regions, these flat faces, is, we'll just say 13 millimeters. And with that information, it wants us to find the distance across the corners. So it wants us to find this distance. And in our notes, we have a formula for that. It says the distance across the corners, what we're looking for right here, is 2 times A. The distance is 2 times A. Well, what is A? A is that 13 millimeters right there. And we can know that from the other information that it gives us on hexagons. A is the length of that flat side. A is the length of that flat side. So for this problem, x, or the distance, is going to be equal to 2 times 13, which is 26. So again, that distance that we just found was from corner to corner. We had a formula for that, from corner to corner. Well, now I want to take that same hexagon and find the distance across the flats right here. And we have a formula for that. The distance across the flats is going to be approximately 1.732 times A. Remember that A is 13 millimeters. So the distance across the flats, I'm just going to call it Y in this case. Y is going to equal 1.732 times A, which is 13. And we get 22.516.